Today I want to show you how to install Free Fire on your Mac with Apple Silicon. It might sound very easy for many of you who've watched my previous videos, because we only need an Android emulator, right? But this video is not just about installation. I'm also going to show you how to optimize your Android device and how to get the highest possible FPs in Free Fire. So let's jump right in. I'll leave the link for the Android emulator in the description. We're going to use MuMu Player Pro. Just click the Try Free button to download it. Once the download is complete, double-click the file, agree to the terms and conditions, and complete the installation. It's very fast. After installation, launch MuMu Player Pro. You'll need to log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the default Android device with basic specs 4 CPU cores and 5 GB of RAM. Before installing any game, I strongly recommend optimizing the device specs for the best performance. Go to Settings. First, in the Device tab, set the GPU model to High. In the Display tab, if you're on an older Mac like an M1 or M1 Air, use a moderate resolution. But since I'm using an M3 Pro, I'm setting it to 4K resolution for the best image quality. I'll enable graphic enhancement and FPS counter. I'm also enabling window rotation. The most important part is the Performance tab. You can choose High Performance preset. For most games it works great. If you want more control, select Custom and allocate CPU cores and memory based on your Mac specs. For example, on a base M4 model with 10 CPU cores and 16 GB RAM, you can use 7 cores and 11 GB of RAM. That's usually more than enough. For this test, I'm sticking with the High Performance preset. Also set the GPU to maximum performance and the maximum frame rate to 120 FPS. Quick note, setting 120 FPS doesn't mean the game will always run at 120 FPS. It depends on both your hardware and the game itself. Many games are capped at 40, 60, or 90 FPS for stability. I also recommend enabling dynamic frame rate. It drops to 15 FPS when the game is idle to save power. Once you're done, click Close. You'll now see the Android device updated to 6 CPU cores, 9 GB of RAM, and 4K resolution. Click Start. As you can see, MuMu Player Pro's interface looks just like an Android tablet, and most importantly, it has the Play Store. You can use this same method for any game available on the Play Store PUBG, Genshin Impact, or any other title. Log into the Play Store with your Google account. Now you can download any game you want. Since this video is focused on Free Fire, let's search for it. I don't play it often, so I'll just pick one and click Install. This little icon on the right is the Metal Hub. You can see the FPS counter and other performance info here as well. We're now inside the game. To control Free Fire, use your keyboard and mouse. You can also connect a controller if you prefer. I have a separate video showing how to do that, and I'll leave the link in the description.